In this lesson, we'll look at simplifying expressions where we have addition and subtraction operators, as well as multiplication and division. Now, the first step in this question is to see if we've got any like terms in either the numerator or denominator. And I can see I've got a 2a squared term plus the 3a squared term. That will give me 5a squared, and that's all over 5a. Now I can cancel the 5's, and I can cancel the a in the denominator with one of the ones in the numerator. And that gives me a final answer of a. On to the second question. Similar process, we're going to look for like terms, and I've got a 2a squared and a 3a squared, so I've got 5a squared plus the b, and that's all over 5a. Now you might be tempted here to cancel the 5's, but you can't. The reason is the 5 must appear in this term and this one, and it doesn't. Likewise with the a, it does not appear in both terms in the numerator. So the final answer on that one is just 5a squared plus b over 5a. On to the third question. So again, we're going to try and collect like terms, and it looks like in the numerator we have a squared b terms here. So we've got a 3 and a 2 and a minus 1, so that's going to give me 4a squared b, and that's all over 2a. Now I can cancel the 4 and the 2, so we'll get a 2 here, and I can cancel this a with one of these in the numerator. So the final answer on this one is 2ab. On to the next question. Again, going to collect like terms, and we do have an xyz term and another xyz term, so this one and this one. So 2xyz and 3xyz will give me 5xyz. Then I've got the plus xy, and that is all over 2x. Now I can't cancel the 2 from the denominator with any of the terms above, but I do have an x in all of the terms, so I can cancel this x with 1 here and 1 here. So I must cancel in both of those terms in the numerator. And that gives me a final answer of 5yz plus y, and that is all over 2. On to the next question. The first step is to collect like terms. Now I can see that I have an fg term here and an fg term here. Now that is not like this term here. So collecting those like terms, we've got the first term, which is fg cubed plus 6fg, and that is all over 3g. What I can do now is to see if I can cancel anything in the denominator with anything in the numerator. Now looking at this 3, I must cancel with something in each term in the numerator. Well, I can cancel with this 3, and with the 6, that will leave me with a 2. Looking at the g, again I can cancel the g as long as I can cancel it with each term in the numerator. So I can cancel this g with one of the ones here, so that'll leave me with g squared, and that one there. So the final answer will be fg squared plus 2f.